Hi, this is Randy Wyckoff, the Dean of the College of Public Health at East Tennessee State University. And I want to have a few words with the parents of prospective students, particularly high school kids and others who are considering undergraduate degrees in the College of Public Health. From talking to parents and from being a parent myself, I know that generally when they're considering where their children should go to college, parents want to know three things. They want to know, will my child get a good education? Will they get a good job? And will they have a good experience? So let's take a look at those very quickly. In terms of a good education, the College of Public Health offers 5 undergraduate degrees, all of which are designed either to get your son or daughter into graduate school or professional school like medical school, or to get a job in the healthcare job market. We also have 9 minors that I won't talk about today, other than to say that they are also great to complement any major that your son or daughter is considering. All of the programs at ETSU, of course, are fully accredited by the Southern Association of Colleges and Schools, the Commission on Colleges. The College of Public Health is further accredited by the Council on Education for Public Health, what we call CEF. CEF has several layers. The highest level of accreditation is a school, which is what we are. It offers undergraduate, master's, and doctoral degrees in public health. Further, ETSU has the oldest EHAC accredited environmental health program in the country. So all of our programs are fully accredited. Now that's great, except it doesn't tell you necessarily whether the students are benefiting from that education. So we talk to the students when they graduate. We ask them about their overall satisfaction with all sorts of aspects of our degree program, and particularly whether they'd recommend the college. And these numbers are consistently in the high 90%. We also survey our alumni. Once they're in the workforce, we ask them, was your education useful to you? And again, numbers consistently in the high 90%. So will your child get a good education? The answer is yes, if they apply themselves, of course. It goes without saying, but we offer an outstanding, fully accredited educational experience. Now, whether your son or daughter will get a job or go on to graduate and professional school really depends also on whether they apply themselves. We know from experience that our undergraduates are almost evenly divided between those who go into the workforce and those who go on to further education. And those, in terms of where they go for education, you'll see a huge number go to medical school. In fact, of our health science graduates in the last 4 years, 1 out of every 5 is in medical school. And I'd put those numbers up against anyone in the country. And you can see other graduate and professional schools where students go. In terms of those, the half of them who go into the job market, the majority are in healthcare or for-profit organizations, good, solid jobs, part of career pathways in the healthcare industry. And of course, we also survey our employers because if we're not meeting their needs, then the students aren't going to progress. And what we hear from our employers consistently is that our students are well prepared, that they're top-notch, they're great to work with, and that we're doing a good job. So we feel like we are preparing our students for all of the various jobs and employers that we have. And you can see just a handful of selected employers that we've got. Finally, will my child have a good experience? Well, you don't want your child to have too good an experience, right? But you do want them to have a good experience. And our mission statement is we want to be the school of choice for students who want an exceptional educational experience in a world-class environment. An exceptional educational experience means not just the education, which we know is exceptional, but the whole experience. And so it's really important to us that our students have a good time, that they enjoy what they're doing, they enjoy interacting with each other, with our faculty, with all of the programs on campus. We have a lot of student organizations. We focus on celebrating our students' success, and we'll take them as far as they want to go. And we really try to build a culture that grows both an enjoyable situation, but also one that's meaningful for them. And of course, the greatest satisfaction of all for your students or your sons and daughters will be when they graduate, when they get their degree, whether they're going into the job market or onto graduate professional education. This is really the highlight of your son or daughter's experience. So will your child get a good education? Will they get a good job? Will they have a good experience? Well, I can't promise you, but I can tell you overall, our students do. They have a meaningful education. They enjoy their time. They feel that they're prepared for the job market. But let me close with one thing that I haven't said before. Four of my 5 children have degrees from ETSU. 6 different degrees, including 2 from the College of Public Health. I'm a professional educator. I wouldn't have my kids go anywhere that I didn't think they were going to get a great and meaningful education. And I'm confident that they are all well prepared for the workforce and for their future lives. And as confident as I am, you can be as well. So if you're interested in learning more about our programs, please contact the Office of Student Services or the Office of the Dean. I look forward to talking to you and sharing some of the exciting developments in the college. But thank you for your interest. And I hope your son or daughter makes a good choice and chooses to come to the College of Public Health.